Your legs are still skinny like birds. It's just
No.
down here. It's just
No,
down
they're just
here.
so, Kenda, these are not my knees or my legs. Look at that. It's,
Yeah, your knees and your ankle, right at your feet.
You gonna be able to run that thing in there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
As soon as they bring them out one by one?
No, I can run them during the whole thing, they said.
Oh, good.
I can take it into the operating
Oh,
room.
gosh.
Cole, I want you to be holding my hand.
I can't do both.
You will.
You're not going to feel a thing. You just hear them cry when you come. You can be all
That's a
numb.
good
You just
sign.
be smiling with your lipstick on.
This catheter doesn't feel good though.
Yeah, I bet it does.
Well, they strapped it down though, right?
Yeah, I just can't get comfortable.
And they're going to give you a sleeping pill tonight.
Yeah, but
That's
I don't like this bed. I want to get in my own bed
good.
with my body
Pretty
pillow.
soon you'll be able to do
Well,
that.
you could have brought your body pillow up here, right?
I don't
And
know.
people were coming in the hospital when we did, and they had like 4 pillows in their arms.